Here we are at the desktop for eVend, and I'm going to give you some step-by-step directions on how to mass upload your O2 entries at the end of the month when there's no other transactions to enter. We're going to scroll down to the bottom left-hand corner and click on Export Missing Active, and we're going to save that file to our desktop, and it's titled Sites, and we'll click on Save and close that window. Going to minimize eVend. Here we are at the desktop. Open up our sites file. This next step is imperative and very important in the process. We're going to highlight the B and C column, the period and the code column. We're going to format these cells by right-clicking on it, Format Cells, and we're going to select Text. Click OK. Go up to our first location, enter the period, which is March, with a capital first letter, lowercase second and third letter, and no period. Very important, no period. Capital first letter, lowercase second and third letter with no period. And in the code we will use O2. It has to be O2. It cannot just be 2. At that point we're going to highlight those two cells and right click and copy. Hold our left click down and highlight the rest of these locations. Approximately 266 here. Right click on the highlighted section and click paste. At that point all fields will be filled with March and O2. We can scroll down to make sure everything is there, and of course it is. At this point we're going to save this file back to our desktop. Up in the left hand corner, File, click on Save As. We're going to title it March O2 Sites. We're going to click Save, click on Yes in the box, then we're going to close Excel. It's going to ask for saving again. We're going to say yes. It automatically comes up March O2 Sites, and we click on Save and Yes in the box. Now we're going to go back to eVend, and we're going to go to the Mass Upload section, also down here in the left hand corner. Right in the middle is the Upload section. We're going to click on Upload section. At the top middle of this screen is a button for Import Screen. We're going to click on Import Screen. We're going to click on the circle in the first option, which is Import into a table from file. We're going to browse back to our desktop and look for those March O2 sites. Click on Open, and there you have March O2 sites in the box. Now we're going to click on Import from File. This will take all the data into eVend, and you can see that 266 sites have been uploaded. And then from here we need to import. In the bottom right hand corner, or up here in the right hand corner, it says Import. Click on that and it'll show our import results that 266 locations have been read. And that's pretty much it. At this point, we need to email Gary telling him that we have done this. So we can click on this button here, goes to the application's dashboard, and there's a link for Gary's email, and we send him an email saying that you have completed your O2s for the month. And in 4 minutes you have uploaded all your O2s, and it's that easy.